Welcome student to this online session of CAD/CAM and CAE Unit 8 and Part 2. In this session, we are going to cover the remaining part of the manual part programming. So you can see that in the previous session, we have completed what are the principle of NC machines, what are the word address format, and what are the preparatory functions that are the G codes. Now we will see the miscellaneous functions that are the M codes. So what is the basic difference between the G codes and M code is that in G codes the codes are directly related towards the coordinates of that workpiece. Suppose you have to give the coordinates in X, Y and Z, then you are using the G codes. Miscellaneous function will not directly relate the coordinates. It will work on the miscellaneous functions or auxiliary functions, such as if you have to make the coolant on, coolant off, spindle start, spindle stop. So you can see that here M01 is optional stop, M02 is the end of program, M03 is spindle on, M04 spindle reverse, M05 spindle stop, coolant off, coolant on, and programming. So these are the M codes. You will see these course details. Now these codes are totally loaded in Google Classroom. You can download them and you have to learn these codes. These codes are very important while you are writing a part program. Now what are the machining formulas? We have to calculate the speed of the spindle. We have to give S, the speed in the form of S equal to. So what is the spindle speed? It will be calculated in RPM, that is 1000 multiplied by V into divided by pi divided by D. So now what is V here? V will be, what is V? V will be the cutting speed and D will be the diameter. So you can take this values of the V from this table, that is the table of tool steel, cast iron, mild steel, brass, bronze, aluminum and magnesium. Now before writing the part programs, we must know what are the different coordinate systems, what are the, how to identify X, Y and Z. So you can see that this is a right hand rule. In this right hand rule, when you are pointing this right hand towards yourself, the thumb movement will give X, the index finger will give you the Y and the middle finger will give you the Z. So you are pointing whatever the direction that is pointing outwards, it will be positive. So you can see here it is positive X, positive Y and positive Z. Now you can see on the machine, so this is a milling machine, CNC milling machine. You can see that X movement will be the movement of this table. When the table is moving right from the spindle, it will be the positive X. When the table is moving left from the spindle, it will be the negative X. When the saddle is moving towards the column, it will be the positive Y. When the saddle is moving away from the column, it will be the negative Y. Z motion will be the spindle motion. When the tool is moving towards the workpiece, it will be negative Z. When the tool is moving away from the workpiece, it will be the positive Z. So this will be the axis identifications. So we will write the part programs in the next session. So we'll stop here. Thank you.